Welcome to today's video. So on today's video, we're gonna be talking about expansion formulae. In the earlier part of the video, I have solved more than 4 sums, approximately 5 sums, which are based on the formula which you can see on the screen. Now in the part 2 of the video, we'll solve the further sums and will clearly complete the practice set 5.1. Okay, we'll complete the practice set 5.1. I think you are thorough with the sums. You don't have any doubt. The gap between the video is because you have to solve the sums by yourself. Okay, if I'm teaching you, I should get something feedback from you. Yes, I know how to solve those sums. The comment section, you have to answer me. Yes, you have got the answers right or wrong. Is there any mistake which I have did? If you are any getting mistake or you are getting any new method, okay, we can discuss in the comment section. Okay, the gap between the video is long because of your convenience. You have to solve. Okay, you can solve as a test. I think the 6, 7, 8 and 9 are solved by yourself if you are practice enough. Yes, now let's discuss the formula. I will together we'll solve again. Okay, not worry. Now let's solve the practice set 5.1 remaining sums. Yes, that is 6 1, that is 5x minus 5t, sorry, 9x minus 5t and 3x plus 3t. 9x plus 3t. So let's start. 9x plus 5t and 9x plus 3. Okay, as I told earlier, you can draw this with a pencil. Okay, so we got, that is 9x into 9x plus 9x into 3 plus minus 5t into 9x plus minus 5 t into 3. Okay, minus 5x into 3t. Always remember the minus sign. Okay, not write very fastly. Okay, always remember the minus sign. That is 9x the whole square. Here 9 is common, so we'll write minus 5t plus 3t whole bracket close, that is 9x plus 5 3s are 15 minus 15 because minus sign, and that is a t square, and we are getting a t square. So 9 square, that is 9 square is 81 x square. 5 minus 3, yes, that is 2. 2t greater number sign, 5x plus minus 15t square plus minus 15t square. So 81x square plus minus minus 9 2s are 18. 18tx plus minus minus 15t square. 15t. The next one is important while solving those sums. Please concentrate on the video. Yes, it is m plus 2 upon 3 and m minus 7 upon 3. M minus 7 upon 3. So first of all, m into m, m into 3. Then this with this one, and this again with this one. Okay, let me erase this one. Okay, m with the m1. Okay, I think everyone understood. Yes. So let's solve. It is m into m plus m into minus 7 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 into m plus 2 upon 3 into minus 7 upon into minus 7 upon. So m into m square. Here m is common, so we'll write plus 2 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3. The whole bracket close, that is m plus. Is it possible we can multiply this one? Yes. 3 threes are 9. So in the 14, that is minus 14 upon 9. That is minus 14 upon 9. Okay. M square plus. Here you can divide easily. Yes. 3 we got the common 3. The denominator 3 is same, so we can multiply. We can subtract or add. But if the denominator is different, we can't divide or multiply. We can't add or subtract. Okay, so we have to multiply this and make the denominator same, then only you can add or subtract. So here you can add directly 7 minus 2, that is minus 5 upon 3m plus minus 14 upon 9. It may go up and down. Okay, do not worry about this, we will write in a straight line. So finally we'll write m square plus minus 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 5 upon 3m minus 14 upon 9. Minus 14 upon 9. Yes. Now the next one, that is it one x plus 1 upon x and x minus 1 upon x, x minus 1 upon x. So x into x, as we know earlier, we have to do x into x, x into 1 upon x, and this one with the this one. Okay. So yes, x into x plus x into minus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x into x plus 1 upon x into minus 1 upon x minus 1 upon x. So x into x, x square, plus here x is common. Yes, x is common because 1 upon x and 1 upon x is also common. But we have a negative sign here. So we'll write 1 upon x minus 1 upon x upon bracket close the whole x plus. Now we can multiply here. Yes, it is 1 upon x square. 1 upon x square. So x square plus we can multiply here. Yes. Is it possible? So 0 upon x into x plus 1 upon x square. Yes. So 0 upon x is 0 and 0. Wait, I will write here 0 upon x is 0 into 0 plus 1 upon x square. The answer you are getting as x square. Yes, x square. I think okay, sorry, we should write a minus sign. Okay, I forgot about this minus sign, that is directly right here. Okay, so you should thorough with those minus signs. Okay, you may get mistake. 1 upon x square. I thought something is missing, so you have to verify the answer again. You have to recheck. Okay, you have to recheck. Next one, the last one, that is 1 upon y plus 4, 1 upon y minus 9, 1 upon y minus 9. Okay, so this with this one, again this with this one, here. Okay, so let's start solving. 1 upon y into 1 upon y plus 1 upon y into minus 9. 1 upon y into minus 9 plus 4 into 1 upon y plus 4 into minus 9 plus 4 into minus 9. Okay, we got the same 1 upon y square plus here 1 upon y is common. So we'll write 4 minus 9 1 upon y. Always take the second number the first. Second number to the first. Earlier also some we have took, but always remember the second number would come first, then the first number would become second for this only. Okay, for this area, not the other one. Plus minus 4 nines are, yes student, 4 nines are, that is minus 36. Okay, 1 upon y square plus minus, that is minus 9 minus 5, 9 minus 4, that you are getting as minus 5 into 1 upon y plus minus minus 36, minus 36. So we'll get 1 upon y square plus minus minus 5 into 1 1 upon y minus 36, 5 into 1 upon y minus 36. Okay students, I think you have understood the all the sums which we have solved here. Yes. Okay, if you have any doubt, queries, question, do not hesitate. Feel free to ask question. Okay, I will comment you. I will write the answer. Okay, I told the reason the gap between part one and part two would be the big, because you have to solve by yourself and we will do a recheck. If you're not getting to solve, we'll discuss the problem. Okay, I think everyone understood how to solve the part one and the part two sums. So here we completed the practice set 5.1, the expansion formula lesson number 5 for the 8th class. Okay everyone, so we are completed here. And student, please remember you should share to your friends who are getting problem in these sums. At least in this part of the video I should get at least 50 likes, and we have to increase more subscribers. Please share to your friends. Okay, so the worldwide we can help all those students which are from the weak or the poor financial background, so they can learn through easily through the YouTube. Okay everyone, uh, next sum will, the next part of the exercise will complete in the next part of the video. That time, bye everyone, take care. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.